Hey guys, it's Shannon. I finally have my updated coffee bar tour for you today. I just transformed it from Christmas into winter, and I will link down in the description box below my coffee bar tour from Christmas if you'd like to see that. So I really love to decorate for winter after the holidays before we transition into Valentine's Day. And I thought it would be fun to bring you guys along and show you how I do the chalkboard art as well as how I add all of the accessories. So let's get started with the tour. So I thought it'd be nice to kind of show you what I'm doing here and give you all the details as I go along. That way at the end, whenever I show you the tour, you can kind of sit back and relax and enjoy it. So the top half of the wall behind the coffee bar is painted with chalkboard paint by Rust-Oleum, and I have really enjoyed being able to add my own art on this wall to match each season and holiday, and it's a really inexpensive way to get a completely different look without a lot of expense or investment. And for the snowflake art here, I just went on Pinterest to get some inspiration. I found a few different pictures I liked and sort of created my own take on them and combined them. So I'm just making a sort of snowflake garland here. And then in between, I'm adding some little details just to sort of fill up the space. The large snowflakes are from Michael's from a couple years ago, so I'm not sure if they still have those, but I know different craft stores have different versions of them. And then the skis are from the Target dollar spot. This wood sign I made a couple years ago. It was a Pinterest inspiration. And then I also added some really pretty, sort of really light green wreaths that I bought from Hobby Lobby. These cute little houses are also from the Target dollar spot. And I flanked each side of the houses with some battery operated white pillar candles that are on batteries and on timers so that they go on and off after 6 hours of use. So I really like that. And then I also added a few pine cones that I added some white paint to, just to give the ends of the shelf a little more detail. This next shelf, I have to cover up that beautiful thermostat back there with a chalkboard from the Target dollar spot, a mini tobacco basket, which was an ornament from Hobby Lobby, and a Dollar Tree lantern. The canisters are from Marshall's, and I tucked a little bit of the lamb's ear behind the canisters to bring in more green. My Ray Dunn mugs are displayed on an IKEA hook rail, and I added a vintage ball jar next to them. This table runner is from Hobby Lobby. I also put a cutting board from IKEA underneath my coffee maker to protect the cabinet, which is also from IKEA. I added some stems from Hobby Lobby into a Ray Dunn pitcher. This little tray is a Dollar Tree DIY, which I topped with a mug, some wooden spoons, and a cinnamon shaker. The tiered tray is another Dollar Tree DIY that I brought you previously, and I'm just accessorizing it with some more coffee making supplies and cute items that I found at the Target dollar spot. And last, I added some lamb's ear garland back behind the coffee maker from Hobby Lobby, and this really adds more of the greenery and life to this decor. And here's a look at the updated coffee bar for winter. I hope you enjoy this tour. And as you can see, I also updated our entryway, which is right next to our coffee bar. So I sort of added some of the same elements so that it all flows together nicely, like this lamb's ear garland, which you saw on the coffee bar, and also this beautiful wood sign that I just created. So I have a tutorial on that. If you'd like to check that out, I will have that down in the description box below as well. I've really enjoyed this new decor after taking all of the Christmas down. It's just sort of a nice, refreshing, updated look. Let me know down in the comments below, what is your favorite element from my coffee bar makeover? Thank you guys so much for joining me for this winter coffee bar tour. I hope that it inspired you, and if it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up for me. You can follow along with me over on my social media pages, which are on Facebook and Instagram. You can find me at TheDailyDIYer. I will also have those linked down in the description box below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I bring you DIYs, tutorials, decors, hauls, all kinds of great videos here for you on my channel, The Daily DIYer, every single Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I want to thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye guys!